What's up there? Anybody know what can cause this problem on a Polaris 400? Runs good. As soon as you unhook the battery, there's no battery hooked up. As soon as you unhook the battery, if anyone can tell me this problem, just leave a comment below. Thank you.